Greetings and welcome. This is Rob McCray for the Business Building Network and robmccraynetworking.com. And I just wanted to welcome you guys and share with you the strategy that I used to generate over 600 leads in less than 30 days using this Facebook Messenger marketing tool, as you can see here. So now, with this tool, I'm going to show you the most effective strategy that I have found so far to generate those amount of leads in such a short period of time. So with Facebook Messenger marketing, you guys are going to need to have a business page or a fan page, as it is often referred to as. So once you have your fan page slash business page set up, then you're just going to follow these steps as I'm going to show you here. All right, so what I did, this is a relatively new feature that Facebook has, and you're going to see it here at the bottom of your business page slash fan page. And you're just going to click on this icon here, and that is to publish a job post. Let me take you over to my next screen here. Okay, so this is what the actual ad is going to look like as you set it up. So let me show you. Okay. All right. So for the job title, now for the ads that I was running, it was for a travel business. Now I made sure that I informed everyone that received this ad that this was not a job opportunity, but in fact it is a business opportunity. So in my job post, it was how to get paid to travel. Okay, and then you go down here to the next box, which is for the location. So this is where you want your ads to show up. So I did an ad pretty much for each state. I went with the most popular city or state capital or wherever the airport was located. So for this example, let's go with Philadelphia. So Philadelphia Airport is the location that I would choose. And as you see, as we start to type it in, the these things will start to populate. So here we see Philadelphia International Airport. And then we have this amount of people that have actually shown interest in Philadelphia International Airport, which is 129,000 people. So that's going to give us a pretty good exposure. But if you see something else, let me see, that gives you more exposure, then you want to click on that as well. Let's see what this one is here. That's 228. Oh, Sixers game. Okay. Well, that's not really travel related, so I wouldn't use that. So you want to make sure that the reach or your the audience that you're going to be targeting has something in common with your actual post. So being that my post is dealing with travel, getting paid to travel, the airport definitely, yeah, the airport definitely is going to tie into that niche. So that is something that I would definitely want to use for this particular ad. All right, so let's see. So we go back here. All right, so then we would just click on that and Philadelphia Airport would populate here. For the salary, we would leave that blank. And then for the job type, you could put in full-time or part-time. I always put in part-time for my post. And then here in the details, now this is where I would tell everyone that this is not a job opportunity, but a business opportunity. This is not a job opportunity. but a business opportunity for those interested in getting paid to travel. Okay. So something like that. All right. Additional questions, that's optional. I didn't put anything there. Add a question, didn't put anything here. And then you would just want to put in a nice image relevant to this particular post. Let me go back to my other page so I can show you guys how to add the image in. Okay, all right, so here's the ad page. So I would just have to put in this information again. That last page I was on was an ad that was already completed. I was just editing the ad, so I couldn't change the image. But this is the actual page you will see when you go to create your ad, and then you're just going to go here. You can use a cover photo image if that is going to be relevant to your particular ad, and that is this image here, which was pulled in from my page. But this is not relevant to travel, so I'm not going to use that image. So I would just pull in an image from my computer. You can go into Google and find different images that are related to whatever it is that you're going to be posting about. And then you just want to put in that image here and use that for your particular ad. Let me just get a nice little image here for travel. Yeah, here, I would use this for an example. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's the basic image you could use. And once again, we would just have to put in the information, get paid to travel, the location, the city and state, or airport location for my particular type of niche, for where I want to be posting my ads. And like I said, I posted this ad in over 50 states. So each ad is going to run for 30 days. So for the first week, I might have did like 10 different state locations. Then the next week I add another 10, so forth and so on. And you just have to keep expanding your ads out. So they'll run for, like I said, 30 days, but you do them in increments. So you will always have some new fresh leads coming in from all different and various locations. And of course, the job type, the salary, you're going to leave that open. The job type, you're going to put full-time, part-time, based upon whatever's most suitable for your type of ad. The details, and in here, you want to let the people know that this is not a job opportunity if your ad is not, and let them know that it is a business opportunity, and just putting in some text here that will describe what your offer is about, and let your audience know the benefits of this post that you are making. So you just want to do that, look over everything, make sure it's set up properly, and then you're just going to hit publish job post, and boom, you are all set. So yes, guys, that's pretty much all it is to setting up a very effective ad with your Facebook Messenger marketing bot, and getting a great massive response from an audience that will be very interested in what it is that you're going to be promoting. So let me just show you what one of those ads look like. And this is one of the ads that I did. This was here in Philadelphia as well. Get paid to travel. And Okay, let me just show you guys this. All right, so once they put in their information, um, they're just going to click on, let me see. Let's discard that. I want to show you guys what the ad looks like to the customer. Hold on one second. All right, so this is how the ad's going to look when people are on Facebook and they're in the job search. So this is the image here. It's a different image. Um, get paid to travel, traveling pays, part-time job, and they're just going to click on the apply now button if they are interested. And what's going to happen is Facebook is going to pull in their information. That's going to be transferred over to your messenger marketing bot. And then you will have all of their information. They will be subscribed to your list. And then you can set up your follow-up sequence so that you can, share your business opportunity with them, schedule an appointment to get on the phone with them and give them a more in-depth interaction and let them know exactly what your opportunity is all about. And that's how you're going to sign up some customers and some business partners as well. So guys, that is pretty much it. This is a very, very effective strategy that you can use to build up your business and get you more leads and subscribers and potential business partners in a very short period of time. Like I say, I did like 10 ads per week, 10 different states, I should say, per week. You can go at your own pace, however many you like. But it got to a point where I was bringing in so many people through the course of a day that I really needed to scale it down because I didn't have the time to connect with all of these people as they were coming in. Although the messages were going out automatically, you still need to connect with these people because they're going to be interested. They're going to be very hot leads. So the quicker you can reach out to them personally and share some more information with them, the greater your opportunity will be to turn them into your potential business partners or sales associates as well. All right, so that is pretty much it for this little training here. Just wanted to share that with you guys. You will see some more training within the Facebook Messenger marketing tool, and they'll go over many different strategies with you guys to help you build up your business, and you just pick and choose which strategy you feel most comfortable with and use that to your advantage. So once again, my name is Rob McCray for the Business Building Network and robmccraynetworking.com. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me, and I will be sure to get back with you as soon as possible. So all of you have a wonderful, wonderful day.